Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this episode I'm gonna show you how to use it and what is the difference between these two stuff. Normally this is called the blue stuff or Oyumaru. I think the Oyumaru is the brand name, but normally it's called polymer clay if you want to find it online. And this one is called thermoforming forties. So this is the result of it. I have tried to use it before, like as you guys can see when I search something like mobile clay or something like that, this one pop up and the price is quite cheap, so I bought it up and try to use it. This one is the unused one. As you guys can see, it's still full. Have like it's ruined my effect part, as you guys can see over here. When it shipped to my house, so I just try to use it right away and didn't have any research on it and use it on this effect part. As you guys can see, it ruined the effect part completely. This one is actually the one that I use for this mode. As you guys can see, it still stick on to the surface just a little bit less than this because I use the silicone spray. This one is silicone spray. Even though that I use the spray to make it not sticking to the surface of the material, but the 40s material still sticking to the plastic is quite bad. It's quite hard to bend it. Compare this to the Oyumaru. Let me try to open one for you. This is the Oyumaru. As you guys can see, it's super bendy. I don't have the hot water near me because I'm in my bedroom, but I have this hair dryer. I think it's gonna work. Let's try to use the same material for the Oyumaru. Oh, okay. I think it's usable now. Let's try. Oh, it's not sticking to the surface, as you guys can see. If I use the 40 material, it's gonna stick to everything. As you guys can see, maybe some over here, this one is the 40 material that still stuck to my cutting mat. Okay, I think it's now set, so let's pull this one out. Ta-da! It's quite hard to see in the camera. Can you guys see it now? Okay, can you see? And the material not sticking to the part that I want to mold it. As you guys can see, I can put it back and I just pop it out, nothing sticking. And now you can fill it with epoxy putty or maybe a resin, UV resin, something like that. It depends on what you want. If you want the more like the whole piece, like not only the front side but the back side of the piece also, you can use two pieces or Yumaru and then smush it together and make the piece that you want stay in the middle. Let it set, take it out, and then put the epoxy putty in and then place these two pieces back together, and then you're gonna get the mold for the whole piece. And the reason that I bought the Oyumaru is because of this kit, the UTX 6030. I want to turn it into the Dead Cup of Creek in general, the general for the Dead Cup of Creek. But after the time went on and I have some thought about it, and the Space Marine 2 game came out, right? Let's just call him Lord Kauga because that is his title, Lord Kauga, right? So as you guys see, like Lord Kauga have the gun sticking out of the side of his arm. That Cup of Creek is an Imperial Guard, so it's like a normal human, not in the power suit. And this one is look like a power suit already, so it's much easier to do a Space Marine, I guess. And so I just spoil you a next project. You want to see I turn the UTX 6030 into a Space Marine? Subscribe. It kinda came out when I finished painting the new Gundam. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.